Hello folks, we're back with our half power rack build. See, the holes are drilled. We got our sleeve in there on our holder. The other side, we just finished drilling that this morning, got it cleaned up, put on there. So we have both sides done. You know, obviously there's no cross brace on it yet, but there will be, maybe this afternoon. Just want to give you guys a few quick measurements on this stuff if you guys are doing a build on this. The hole centers on this, they are 1 inch drilled hole. They are 3 inch center to center, or when you measure it like top to bottom, like from here to here is 3 inches, or center to center is 3 inches. This little piece here, this little guide, it's 10 inches top to bottom with a 1 inch hole, about a little bit over a ½ inch down from the top. It does wrap all the way around. See where we built it, put it together. And anyway, we got that done. We do have some little gussets here on the bottom. Still trying to decide whether I'm going to weld it to the upright or the bottom piece, but it's going to be welded on one of them because anyway, the bracket and the bottom hole is 10 inches, or center line 12 inches off the bottom of the upright, which is 14 inches off the ground. So when the arm is placed on your rack here, you will see later on that you'll be able to put an Olympic plate on with this all the way on the bottom, so you can do deadlift right out of the rack. It's probably going to hold the Olympic plate about 3/4 to an inch off the floor. So if you get, and you got to let it drop, the bar will probably have enough flex to hit the ground and the rack at the same time. These posts overall are 80 inches top to bottom. You'll have your 2 inches extra on the bottom and 2 inches on the top, so it'll be 84 inches. So it should fit inside a regular house, your basement or something, give you some clearance so you can get it into a room. I've seen some of these are 96 inches tall. It's not really going to fit in most people's houses unless you have over 8-foot ceilings. So anyway, we're trying to make this where it's usable for everyday guy. It's 48 inches wide. Olympic bar should be, a standard Olympic bar should be 52 inches. Inside the collar, should fit on these pretty good. We'll get a top put on this later, and we'll attach some more points, and we'll let you guys see that. Thanks a lot, bye.